about to show y'all the whole closet because it is in need of a little cleanse. But anyway, hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bree and this is Bree Y Style. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys my 10-minute or less makeup routine and how you can look put together by simply layering your clothes. Now this routine is so easy and you don't have to do it all the time, but I mean, say you want to go out, you know how the girlies go to the mall or go to the, the grocery store or go to do their errands and just look so put together. This is the easy routine that I do, and I hope it's something you can do too. My content girlies out there, my style influence girls, this is going to be for you too. If you want to easily put something together and you feel like you need to have a whole, glam squad or whatever just to get in front of the camera or whatever that may be, this is going to be your easy routine here. All right, so I've already gone ahead and damped my sponges here. I like them to be a little bit wet so that it absorbs the makeup that I put on and it's not dry and it doesn't get cloggy. First thing I do is take a little bit of primer and I put that on my nose and I put that on my T-zone here. Oh, and I'll also leave down in the description the products that I use. This is going to be an easy, cost-effective way to do quick makeup. I do use different products depending on what I'm doing, but if I'm just doing something really quick and I don't want to use my luxury products, this is what I'm going to be using, so you can see that it's still going to be bomb no matter what that is. So I'll leave those products down below for you guys too. So first I put this primer on my nose and my T-zone right here, and this is just so that it doesn't get oily. Like I get oily skin on my nose and my T's, like this area right here. I get a little bit oily, so I like to put a little bit of primer there. And then I put a little bit of powder on top of that. The powder that I'm actually using is Ben Nye. I love it. From working on production sets and having friends that are makeup artists, it's always a very good cost-effective brand that you can use if you are wanting to get some good powder and look very put together, whether it be out and about or on camera. So I use a little bit of that to put on top of my nose and my T-zone area. And then I actually go right into the foundation. Now, the foundation that I'm using, I actually only picked this up because I ran out one day when I really needed to film. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't have time to go out. I don't have time to do this. I think I was getting ready to travel. And I said, let me just go to the convenience store and get something real quick. I literally picked this up and you guys will see, it's Kiss. And I was like, let me just try it. Now I like this because it's kind of like a liquid. It's not a heavy foundation. It's a liquid that kind of just goes on really, really smooth. So what I do is I put it here, here, here. And you can see how liquidy it is. It's not a full coverage one because this is gonna be a quick everyday look. So it's not something that I need to look like full coverage all over. So I'm literally just gonna go in and blend this into my skin with my beauty blender, and I'm just pressing it in to my skin. I hope this lighting is okay. Add a little bit more light there. It's still light, but it's not really covering my freckles or anything, but my freckles are gonna get covered once I put the concealer on. I just love this because it's so lightweight and it's not heavy. Next, another product that I've learned to use while on set and seen many makeup artists use is the Pro Concealer LA Girl. I love these. I also use NARS, but when I'm just trying to put some on real quick, I use this. And I do love my NARS here as well. But when it's just to do something really quick, I will definitely use my LA Girl. And I use two different shades. So I use one that's not really light. It's it'll blend in with my skin. And that one is called Fawn. And I'll put a little bit here, here, here. My nose to contour and a little here. And then I'll blend that in with another beauty blender here. And then I'll add another lighter one on top of that. Yeah, I feel like this lighting is not hitting the way I really need it to, but I'm gonna show y'all before, well, you've seen the before, I'm gonna show you the after. I feel like this lighting is not hitting, but it's okay. All right, and I'm gonna take the beauty blender and I'm gonna do it again. And then I do use the back of it just to blend in the lines so there's no lines. Just like panty lines, okay? You do not want no lines. And now I'm gonna go back to the Ben Nye that I had before, the powder, and I'm just gonna set that. Now I don't like setting too much of this under the eye because I don't want it to get like flaky or anything like that. And I will say that the product that I use, which was the Fenty skincare, the lotion that I use definitely helps with just keeping your skin moisturized, just keeping your skin moisturized before you put on any makeup. So definitely have a moisturizer before you're doing this. Now I'm just gonna go through with the banana powder and just put it all over my skin. Now I'm going to be using this product that I absolutely love, and it's a contour palette. I love it because it has so many different shades in it, and it also has just the quick ones that you need to just highlight a few areas and then you're good. So I'm going to be using this brush in order to add a little highlights to these areas right here, and right here. And then I'm also going to be using a brush like this in order to get my nose area and just highlight it a little bit here, and then on the tip of my nose here. Now I'm going to go and use a wider brush here, and I am going to contour the frame of my face. And I like to just let the brush do its thing. Like, I see my cheekbones right underneath. Like, if you would go like that, you can see it. So I'm just gonna shape my face with this. And I'm not doing a lot. Like, you can clearly see I'm just literally brushing over the structure of my face already. So I'm not trying to like really shape my face or anything. I'm just pretty much highlighting and contouring with this kit. And then I'm going to take a smaller one to finish shaping the frame of my nose. So I'm going to go here to draw and here. And then I'm just going to blend that in. Now, I'm literally just gonna take a sponge and just blend everything that I just did in. So there's no lines again. No lines on my nose, no lines from the cheeks, from the highlighter. And then I'm going to add mascara. This is, y'all know this is the old school mascara here. It's an oldie but goodie right here. Like, this is an oldie but goodie. And then I'm just going to do my lashes. And I like to add more to the outside of my lash because I really feel like it makes it like a wing. And when I do wear lashes, I get wispy, which has, it has the tip much thicker and winged out. So I like to add the mascara as if it is a wing wispy lash. And then I'm gonna add a little more mascara because I just like them to look a little full and long. And then lastly, I'm just going to add a little finishing spray. I love the NYX matte finish. They also have it in glossy as well, but I really love the matte finish, I told you, because I can get a little bit oily. I am definitely gonna have to do this video over with the lighting, but I hope that you could see that the products that I used was not a lot and that you can easily do a quick beat in 10 minutes or less with those products and be out and about. So now I'm gonna just show you a quick way to layer your outfit so you can get that very femme, you know, effortless, I just threw this on vibe when you're running your errands, or, you know, you're going to the mall, you're going to the grocery store, you're going out and about for the day, layering, and how that will easily help you look very put together before you leave out the house. Okay, so this is the outfit that I decided to put on. It's a little set from Fashion Nova. I love putting sets on when I'm going out and about because you look easily put together just because it's already a set. And so I put this little gray set on and I'm going to layer it. But first I'm going to add some boots to it, some black boots, and I'm also going to add 2 long line sweaters so you guys can see that it'll give a very femme vibe, a sleek vibe, and also a very high value woman vibe. It's also the colors that are making it do this, so I just want to show you how putting it together will tie everything in. See how this long line gives it a very sleek look? Love this. Now I'm gonna put on another long line coat so you can see that. It's a bit chilly out here and that's why I'm doing that. Also, I got a little midriff here, so I wanna make sure that I'm layered and I feel warm when I'm going in and out of the stores. And yeah, so let me put that on. Now I'm going to add this bag to my wardrobe as well as the sunglasses to give it just a little bit of detail. This bag goes very well on your wrist, so you're just out and about and you look chic. The long line, the colors, everything about it is making it very high value woman and very feminine as well. I think it looks very rich, it looks very chic, and it's because of the colors. And it's just a great outfit that you can wear to look better to the mall, to run your errands, or if you want to shoot some content. All right, I hope that you guys found this video to be helpful. My easy, quick, 10-minute or less makeup routine and how I layer my outfits so that I always look put together, effortless, and chic. And you can also see that this is giving a very high value vibe look, and that's because of the long lines, that's because of the colors, that's because of the bag, and that's also because of the sunglasses. Just adding little accessories and layering your look is definitely going to help you achieve that look that you're going for. So I hope that this helped, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.